am so excited to bring you these ranch level living communities. Now, this community is located in Lakewood, Colorado, and the model I'm going to show you today, well, it's about 1988 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's all one level living, and there's an unfinished basement on this one. These ones are built by Lennar, and they are fantastic home sites located in Lakewood. Now, there's also a community of these same properties in Littleton. Littleton doesn't have any for sale right now, but they will be having some coming up. So if you're interested in that community, please reach out. I'm Kathy Hansen. I'm a local area realtor, and I'm also a suburban mom. I've raised all 3 of my kids here in the Denver metro, in the suburbs of the metro area, and I've been a full-time realtor for the past 10 years. So come along with me as we tour this ranch level home that's going to be located in Lakewood. The model currently that I'm sitting in right now is in Littleton. Let's go take a peek. Now, what's really great about this community located in Lakewood, Colorado, is you are very centrally located. You can get to downtown Denver in about 20-25 minutes from here. You can get out to the Denver Tech Center in about 30 minutes, up to the mountains to go skiing. Well, you're about an hour and a half to 2 hours away, just depending on the day that you go and what traffic situation is like. Now, I have done videos about Lakewood, and I'm going to link those above if you want to see what the city of Lakewood is about and what it's like living here. So what's really great about Lakewood is it is a built up city. It's one of the, I think, 4th or 5th largest city in the state of Colorado, and it's been around for a long time. Now, there's not a lot of new construction homes in Lakewood because it is landlocked, let's say. There's not a lot of space still to be built because we're right in the middle of the metro area. But this really great space in Green Gables, well, there was some space available that they were able to build some of these ranch level living homes. So if you're interested in these properties or in any other property in the metro area, please don't hesitate to reach out. All of my contact information is in the details section and the comments section below. Now, if you can do me a favor, if you liked this video, please hit that like button. It helps my channel, one, and it helps 2 other people who are looking for the same content. Well, it makes it easier for them to find because YouTube will go ahead and show this video to other people. And if you can hit that subscribe button, I post a video every day, and not every day, every week about living in the Denver metro area. I post those on Tuesdays, and then every other Friday is a new property tour just like this one that we just went on. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you'll be notified when those videos are posted. And until I see you on the next video, we'll go out there and make today a great one.